Hey, aneh.
The police are coming home. The officers are coming.
Bonsoir. Hey, Galamsey, tu m'as. Hey, mon baby. Galamsey, moi. Si la caille va comprendre machine, c'est la maman. Enfin.
The job will go on. Wait. Emrah. Hey, who's your boss? Hey, who's your boss? Who's your boss? Okay.
You don't know that it's illegal. Shut up! Don't you have TV or radio? The government have been announcing in every radio to stop Galamsey.
Officer, please take this money and permit us to go.
Shut up! You want to bribe me? It is an offense to bribe a police officer.
Officer, you are sorry for our actions. Sorry for what? Keep quiet over there. Officer, please.
I'll just answer.
So what?
So, officer, now illegal mining affects our crops to grow.
Yes, it's because of the illegal mining. That is why your crops are not growing.
Officer, when these people had started what they were doing, I wanted this country to look clean. But when they started, all our rivers are turning yellowish. Is it also the cause?
Yes, that I'm saying is the reason why your water has turned to yellowish. It is even dangerous to use that water because they use chemicals for doing it, which is not good for our health. Officer, please, I'm sorry for action. Keep quiet. When you haven't started the work, this is how our water was. But when you started, look at our water. Can you drink this water? Yes. Can you drink this water? No. Why are you doing our water? Because you don't have money, that's why. You don't have money. Yes. You didn't go to school, that's why you're doing the Galamsey. You said you use your boss. It's who? To me. Because you are the boss. You'll be sentenced to jail for 20 good years. No, please.
Hey, shut up! Hey, shut up!
Come, let's go.
Hey, shut up!
You're still doing the work.